Hey. Hello, so this is how to do like a fake inception photo. So we have our two photos here that we've taken before. I want to show you how to do this from scratch. So this is where the images are, and I drag them both into Photoshop. So the secret with these photos is that I've shot a lot of sky. So there should be enough for 50% of sky in the shot. Cool? I grab this shot here, I'm in the move tool, and I click, drag across into the other photo, press shift, and I take my finger off the mouse. What's happened here is that if we go to the layers tool, the layers palette, we have the other photo on top of the original one. Cool? Yep. All right, so now we do a keyboard combination. We press Control or Command T. And it goes into the transform tool. So what we can do now is we can move our mouse till it goes to that sort of circular arrowhead, and we can start spinning this around, but press Shift at the same time, and it's going to lock it into increments. So I want you to rotate this 180 degrees. And when you're happy with that, you press Return or Enter. Cool so far? Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to move this one up slightly because I need more room for the tree that was in the other shot, okay? Depends on your own photo. So now I'm going to go and make a mask. So if you go over to the mask tool here and create a mask. So a mask now is that if we start painting in black, right? If we start painting black, it's going to expose the image underneath it. So if I go now to my paintbrush tool over here, and I make my brush up to maybe a large size, let's say for 1400 in mine. And this one here is my default colors, and I need to flick this around to black. And now all I've got to do is paint in the underlying image, which is pretty cool. All right. Yeah, and that is it. All right, that's our inception thing there for Photoshop. Pretty cool?
Pretty cool.
You can adjust this a little bit more by adjusting the levels a little bit. This levels and this one's not quite right. Okay, it does look better if we are, making this bit here a little bit more hard-edged. I'm just painting white in here. There we go. Let's clean that bit up there. Okay. Cool, that's how you do the inception for Photoshop. Thank you.